All right, you guys, so I'm here to share with you guys the 8 must-do deals for Target. There are some great deals, you guys, so I'm just going to hop into it. This blog post is going to be linked in the description box for you guys to go ahead and follow along, and there will be a more detailed video come Tuesday for Target Tuesday, so let's get into it. So first is on the 12-pack of Coca-Cola sodas. These are priced for $4.89. Check your store for pricing. It may vary with your region, but we have a 40% off Target Cartwheel. So this takes $1.95 off, making it just $2.94. So stock up price for sure on Coca-Cola 12 packs. So the next deal is on select General Mills cereals. So these are priced for $1.99 each. It's select variety, so check your store. So go ahead and buy 3 of them for $5.97. There's $1 off the Printable coupon, which I have hyperlinked here. You just click this link and it takes you straight to the printing. So final cost is $1.65. Now I think that there is a Savings Star. I have not used Savings Star in quite some time, so correct me if I'm wrong on this one. So the next deal is on Zevia sodas. So these are priced for $4.99. You might be able to price match Amazon's price, or you might be able to price match Whole Foods. So check Whole Foods website to see what they're going for this week. But we have an 80-cent Ibotta cashback. So that makes these just $4.19, or it could be lower depending on if you can price match or not. So the next deal is on select cleaners. So the best one I found is Windex multi-surface. Get this guy because you can use it on multiple surfaces. So they are buy one, get the second 20% off. So what you want to do is buy 2 of them for $5.93. This includes the 20% discount. We have printable dollar off 1 coupon, so go ahead and print 2 of these. So final cost is $1.69 each when you buy 2. So great deal on some cleaner. Now for my keto low sugar crew, Heinz tomato ketchup, the no sugar added. Now this one's more expensive because it's no sugar added. You could get a cheaper one at about $2.79, but I want to bring to you guys a better option, which is no sugar ketchup. So it is priced for $3.79. Use the dollar off 1 printable. Makes it $2.79, so not a bad deal. Nicole, get your sugar-free ketchup. Let us know in the comment section below if this is keto approved, so we know. So the next deal is on Stonyfield Yo Baby Veggie Whole Milk Yogurt. So these are priced for $3.99. Check your Ibottas. My Ibotta has a $4 cash back, so it makes it free. So definitely check your Ibottas on that guy. So the next deal is in the beauty department. So when you spend $20 or more, you're going to get a $5 Target gift card. So I went ahead and added in a Bliss scenario. I recently just did a Bliss Skincare review, so I'm going to have that linked below if you guys want to check it out. So what you want to do is buy 1 of the Bliss Mighty Marshmallow Radiant Masks. They're priced for $12.99. Buy my favorite Bliss Makeup Milk Cleanser at $9.99. So your total is $22.98. You get a $5 Target gift card, so it makes everything $8.99 each, which is a great deal. You can do this in store, or you can just go ahead and shop online. I have everything hyperlinked. If you check out online, you're going to get a Target gift card straight in your email checkout, so it's great. So the last deal is on the Cetaphil cleansing cloths. So you could also do this with the gift card promotion. So they are priced for $5.99. We have a printable $3 off coupon. So you would pay $2.99 and then you can submit $1 to Ibotta, making it just $1.99 if you just wanted to do this one deal. But there's also a $2 Cartwheel coupon you could do. So I haven't printed the Cetaphil coupon, so I don't know what the verbiage is on the limit. But definitely check the limit, but this would be a nice guy to go ahead and do. You could buy 4 of them and use 4 of those 3 off 1 coupons, get the gift card, submit to Ibotta. So this could be a really nice deal. So definitely look into that further. So these are all the deals I have to share with you guys here at Target. So definitely comment below letting me know what your favorite deal is, and you can look forward to seeing these videos for me Monday morning. So what am I talking about? So I hope you guys have a fantastic Sunday with whatever you are doing. Comment below Target Tuesday if you are pumped for Target Tuesday coming up this week, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.